Hello everyone. This session is a supplement to the rigging process. First, we open this tool. This session mainly talks about correcting the axis orientation of the fingers. We can open any model. Let's first demonstrate the previous steps. After the model is opened, we mark it as imported. After importing, we perform automatic placement. Okay, then we correct the skeleton. We quickly move to the stage where the skeleton has been corrected. At this point, we can check the up axis of the fingers. Sometimes the up axis is not quite correct. For example, we can click this here. It will display the orientation of the up axis. If we want to rotate it slightly, for example, like this, we adjust the up axis. We just need to adjust this locator directly. It can be done automatically. Then, for example, the thumb. I also want to adjust it. For example, if we feel it's not quite correct, rotate it slightly. After rotating, we directly click this Fix button, and it's done. The axis orientation has been corrected. At this point, we usually need to mirror it. We click from left to right, then click this correction button. Okay, now the left and right axis orientations are completely consistent. This also achieves a mirroring effect, and the skeleton's up axis is also corrected. This is a tutorial on skeleton correction. Next, let's look at the bone removal function mentioned earlier. We open a fully rigged character. We directly remove bones from the rigged character. After opening it, we switch to the rigging page. We select the skeleton, then we click this here. For example, we switch to UE5.6. After selecting UE5.6, we directly click this. Of course, we need to check and mark the model. Then we click Remove. It will remove the skeleton and recalculate the weights. We need to wait for a moment. The removal is now complete. Let's take a look at the result. There are no issues. Let's take a look at the skeleton. We directly expand the skeleton. We can see that there are only these bones left. There are no more. This shows that the removal was successful, and the weights are also okay. This is how we remove bones. Thank you, everyone.